Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Shake the Damiana Mother tincture so the extract is uniform and draw 5-10 drops with a clean glass dropper. Place the drops into 15-30 ml of water. Stir and sip slowly because starting low reveals sensitivity. Once done, record the time and how you feel before effects appear. Make sure to use glass and avoid metal utensils. Alcohol-based tinctures can react. This sets a safe baseline so you can adjust later. Once you've logged your initial response, wait 30-60 minutes to evaluate effects and side effects. This gives time for sublingual or oral absorption. If response is minimal, increase by 2-5 drops the next session. Do not make multiple increases the same day. Make sure to keep a 24-hour gap between dose adjustments. Also, track concurrent substances. Mixing with sedatives, alcohol, or certain prescriptions can alter outcomes, so consult a professional if unsure. To finish, cap the bottle tightly and store it in a cool, dark place to preserve potency. Upright on a shelf is best. Make sure to log each session for 7-14 days so trends become clear. Note dose, time, and any side effects. If mild irritation or digestive upset happens, dilute the drops in more water or reduce to the prior dose. Troubleshooting tip: if you experience persistent irritation, stop use and consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.